guys, it's Bernadette, and I had a special request to show you my craft room. So here we go. This is my craft room, and it's not that big, but it definitely is larger than a lot of people are privileged enough to have. I realize that, but we could always use more space, right? So I'm a huge Disney fan. I'll start there. And I have a lot of Disney art on my wall, and it inspires me, and I find it to be very cheerful, so I love it. My favorite color is pink, so I painted my walls 2 shades of pink. And my house already had a chair rail on the wall, so I divided it up there and then just left the chair rail white. I like the nice clean way it looks. Going this way, I have a walk-in closet that is kind of not put together right now, so I won't show you what's in there, but I do have this pocket organizer hanging on the door, and I love it. It is very handy to put my extra bits in there that I don't have room for elsewhere. Picture of Elsa. And then this cabinet here is, I was actually fortunate enough to find this in the trash, believe it or not. And it goes perfectly with my white furniture. And in here, I just keep extra books and journals and things like that, because I could never be without a journal. And on the back of this wall, I have another pocket organizer. And in there, I just have extra envelopes and paper like that. Extra printer cartridges for my printer, etc. On here is my origami organizer that I got off of HSN or QVC, I can't remember, but I love it. It's very sturdy and it holds a lot of weight. And here I have my completed journals. I also have journals that I'm working in, as well as coloring books and instructional books. Some things with my knickknacks or mementos on them, some shelves. And the bottom shelf is designated for Mickey and Minnie things only. And here I have an organizer that has 2 shelves, and it is separate from my table. And can you believe I found this organizer in the trash? I couldn't believe it. I just couldn't believe it. And it goes in my room absolutely perfect. And this pink chair is where I sit to film my videos. And the computer right there is where I edit my videos. And then I got this shelf and that shelf, which are the same at Michael's. There is my large Gemini. More Disney art here. I can't really show you because of the reflection, but more Disney art. And then I have, excuse me, a metal board, magnetic board, that I put a lot of my completed sketches on, and just things that I find inspirational, along with some fairy lights and butterflies. Most of that is my artwork. And here I have, this is my organizer for alcohol markers, my Jane Davenport book. This beautiful organizer here that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, I adore it. It has enough room for all my ink. This top drawer, I have my glue. The second drawer, I have my Dilutions ink spray. And then the third drawer, I have my Dylusions shimmer sprays, and they're supposed to be stored horizontally, so I keep them in that drawer. Oh, I forgot to move this. These are stamps that I got from Crafter's Companion that are literally melting. It is the weirdest thing. They're just rubber. I know they're rubber anyway, but they're melting, and anything I put them on, they melt that too. So I have no idea what is going on there. But anyway, that's junk. Here I have my colored pencils. And I got this Lazy Susan on Amazon. Spellbinders does carry a Lazy Susan that is just, no, not Spellbinders. Scrapbook.com has a Lazy Susan that looks just like this, but theirs is white. And I prefer the white one, but this one was less expensive, so I chose to get it on Amazon. It does squeak a little bit, which is irritating. But anyway, I'm able to keep some paint, some gloss sprays, my Xyron, my ink tints pencils, matte medium calligraphy ink, all the stuff that you guys see me using in my videos. And here I have a Daniel Smith dot card, watercolor dot card, and I just keep that there. So if I don't see it, I will forget that I have it, so I keep it there so I remember to use it. And here I have my Silhouette Cameo that I love using as well. I have a huge lamp, and there's my tripod that I use for filming. And this Lazy Susan organizer as well. So this is the view that I have right here when I am working and filming videos for you guys. So that's where my mom or my friends sit when they come to visit, and we do crafts together. But anyway, guys, this is my art room, and I love it. I could always use more space, but who couldn't, right? I don't remember if I mentioned this. I do a lot of collage, and so I got that organizer at Michael's, and I use it for my napkins and collage papers, and it works out really well. I have my Tombow markers there, and this section is dedicated pretty much to Jane Davenport supplies. I have, I think, almost every supply Jane has ever come out with, so I love it. My mom got me that Minnie Mouse sink. It's not operational, but it holds water, and I use that for my watercolors. And then I have the Gemini, the smallest one, I think it's called the Go, down there, that I don't use that often. I don't make a lot of cards. I need to get better at that. But anyway, this is my art room, guys, and I have my printer there. And I thought that you would enjoy taking a quick peek. So there you go. If you have any questions about anything that I have in my room, or how I store certain supplies, feel free to send me a comment. And oh, I forgot to show you this. This is what I have. I think this is for sewing, a big sewing table. And I got this at Michael's as well. And I use it to keep my paper trimmers. And on the bottom there where you see the purple folders, I have my extra journals that I'm currently working in, as well as some rubber stamps in those purple binders. Oh, and then one more thing, now that I think about it. Right here, I purchased this system from Totally Tiffany, and it is to store dies. It's nice. They're just completely really thick wood panels, and it comes with magnetic strips, and you put the magnetic strips on for whatever you have, whatever size dies that you have. If you have a lot of small ones, big ones, it's up to you how you put the magnetic strips on. And they pull out like this. And there you can see, sorry, let me try to get a better picture where you don't have that light. There you go. There you can see how the magnetic strips are just holding all my dies on. And I have even more on the back. So I really enjoy this for die storage. It makes die storage quick and easy and nice to find everything that I have. And it comes like that. And I got the size that will fit into the cubes that they sell at Michael's. And I have all my dies organized according to themes, kind of like Tiffany from Totally Tiffany suggests. So anyway, I guess that truly is it this time, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this. And once again, if you have any questions about what I have in my room, or if you would like to see me sketch something that you see here on this board, just let me know, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.